Stop losing money on gold. That's the only thing that matters. You're entering trades you were never supposed to take, and the market is pushing you for it every single session. You're ignoring the momentum, you're chasing breakouts that don't exist, and quite frankly, it's costing you capital you can't afford to lose. If you can look at the 15-minute gold chart and immediately see where the professional money is positioned, you shouldn't be risking real capital. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to stop that. We're using a two-component system that filters out the noise and only gives you trades with real market momentum behind them. This isn't about hoping, this is about a structure. If you're tired of being the exit liquidity for someone else's profit, pay attention. First component, the VWAP price channel. Don't confuse this with a standard deviation channel. Standard channels are lazy. They don't account for time-weighted average price. And that's costing you money because you're trading off stall information. The VPC is different. It anchors VWAPs at highs and lows. It doesn't just show you where price has been. It shows you where the value actually is, when we're in a trend. The indicator fills the area between the VWAP and the price. Green means bullish momentum and red means bearish momentum. It acts as a trailing stop that actually makes sense. Here's the settings you need. Go to the VPC settings, set the time frame to chart and the link to 27. We use 27 because it filters out the high frequency garbage that's currently costing you capital. The default settings are for people who enjoy losing money. We want to see the market momentum with clarity, not through a lens of noise. Second component, super smoother MA oscillator. This is based on digital signal processing, the same tech used in radar system. Traditional EMAs and SMAs are slow, they lag, and the lag is costing you money because you're entering right when the professionals are exiting. The super smoother is a low-pass filter. It eliminates the meaningless noise and preserves the structured price movement. That's the difference between guessing and knowing. For the settings, set your fast MA to 50, and your slow MA to 100. In the Style tab, change the histogram to columns. Disable the signal options, the oscillator, and the signal line. We want a clean read on market momentum. When the histogram is green and the area is green, that's confirmed bullish momentum. When it's red, that's bearish momentum. If you're trying to buy when this is red, you're choosing to lose capital. It's that simple. Now, here's where the most people blow it. They see the tools, they think they understand, and then they take trades they were never supposed to take. So let me walk you through the actual setup, step by step, no escaping. Long setup on the 15-minute gold chart. First, the trend must be up. Price action must be above the VPC tool line. And the VPC must be green with an upward slope. That's your baseline. Without that, you don't even look for a trade. Doesn't matter how good the candle looks. Doesn't matter what your gut says. No green VPC, no trade. Now look for the swing high shown by the VPC. These are the starting points of the red line above the price action. In an uptrend, these swing highs are resistance. We draw a horizontal line on that swing high. This is our breakout level. We don't guess, we wait for price to have the power to break above that swing high. That breakout is the sign of true market momentum. And here's the part that separates the professionals from amateurs. That breakout is not your entry yet. You still need confirmation. If the breakout happens and the super smoother isn't showing a green histogram and green area, you do not touch the trade. I don't care how good it looks. If you ignore the oscillator, you're trading against the long-term trend, and that's a guaranteed way to start losing money. This is the no trade zone I'm talking about. Most retail traders live here. They see a breakout, they jump in, they get it stopped out, and they wonder why their strategy doesn't work. Their strategy works. They just escape the confirmation step. And in this system, escaping one step means you're not trading a strategy anymore. You're just gambling with extra steps. When the bullish market happens and the super smoother confirms with green columns and green area, that breakout candle is your trigger. Now let's talk risk management, because this is where most of you are bleeding capital. Never risk more than 1% of your account on a single trade. If you're risking more, you're gambling, not trading. And set your stop loss at the recent swing low or the green line of the VPC. This is your line in the sand. If the market hits that, the trade is over. And for target, we target the trade 1.5x risk to reward ratio. We aren't looking for home runs. We're looking for consistent capital protection and growth. Short side. Same logic, just flip. Price action must be below the VPC line, and the VPC must be red with a downtrend slope. We look for the swing lows, the starting point of the green line below the price. This is our support. We draw our line. When price breaks below that swing low, we check the super smoother. If we have red columns and red area, the bearish momentum is confirmed. That's your entry. A stop loss goes at the recent swing high or the VPC line and take profit at 1.5x. Fast, efficient, and it stops you from trading against the market momentum. Most of you losing money because you're looking for a magic indicator that predicts the future. It doesn't exist. What exists is noise reduction and risk mitigation. When you use the super smoother at a 50 setting, you're filtering out the fake move that are currently costing you money. You're seeing the market for what it is, not what you hope it will be. This strategy works from 1-minute chart all the way to the daily. Whether you're scalping gold, swing trading crypto, the physics of market momentum remains the same. The VPC anchors the value and the super smoother filters the noise. If you can't master the simple bridge, you'll keep losing money until your account is at zero. And here's the reality. The no trade zone is where most retail traders live. They trade in the chop, they trade against the momentum, and they wonder why they're always getting stopped out. Stop loss hunting is real, but it will only work on those who don't have a structural advantage.